Ibibubusuku obuzaliswe bubukhazikhazi lobuyokoyoko eSoweto Theatre kwindawo yaseJabulani ngoMgqibelo kumjikelo kamagqibela kankqoyi wokhuphiswano lukaMrs Soweto. Olu khuphiswano olubone uGift Kubeka ethweswa isithsaba njengekumkanikazi entsha lolunye lwamanyathelo amaninzi ajolise ekuxhobiseni abantu basetyhini nokwenza impembelelo entle eluntwini. Nantsi ingxelo yeembalasane zomsitho.
Usebonge bonke abamesekile kulolu hambo lwakhe lokuncintiswana konobuhle uMrs Soweto osanda kuthweswa umqhelo uGift Kubeka.
I am so ecstatic right now. I think if I have to give my gratitude, it will firstly be to God who has brought me this far. There's a scripture that I've been pondering upon for years and years, that God crowned me publicly, crowned me with honor and glory, and today I've experienced exactly what I've asked from the Lord. So I'm grateful, and to Soweto, great things are coming.
Kusenjalo nozakwabo abamlandele izithendeni zakhe njengoba ke benqobe kwabathathu abaphezulu bazwakalise ukubonga ngethuba abalitholile nabathi ke umsebenzi usuzoqala manje.
It's Naima Pedro, your first princess for Mrs. Soweto 2025. Some good advice is never give up. Thank you guys.
My name is Linda Zwane. What an incredible journey it has been. What an incredible night it has been. Well, it hasn't sunk in. All I know is the work has begun. The work has begun. And my message, just to everybody there, do not go looking for love. Love yourself first and love will come to you.
Mrs Soweto kuhloswe ngawo ukugqugquzela abantu besifazane ukuba bazithande futhi bazithuthukise emphakathini yangakubo, kanti ivulela iminyango kwabesifazane abashadile abangabafelokazi kanjalo nalabo abanezingane. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngiseJabulani.